Hi children, once again it's me Jerry, a social science teacher here to teach you social science. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. In the last class you studied about Gram Sabha and Village Panchayat, right? Today we are going to continue the lesson. You may have heard about elections. In India, we are using electronic machines for election purposes. But olden days, people used Kudavoli system for elections. The names of the contestants were written on the palm leaves. These written palm leaves were put into a pot and shuffled. Then a small boy asked to select a palm leaf. The person whose name was picked up by the boy was declared as a selected one or a leader. The Uttaramerur inscriptions in Kanchipuram explain that the Cholas followed Kudavoli system to select candidates for village administration. The Uttaramerur inscriptions also explain about the qualifications of the candidate and also their age limit. It's really interesting, right? After the school reopening, let's try this Kudavoli system for selecting our class leader. Children, hope you understood this Kudavoli system. Let's move on to the next topic. Children, already we have learned about the way of selecting Panchayat members. Now, we are going to learn the functions of Panchayat. The obligatory functions of the Panchayat are providing electricity and maintaining the street lights, construction and maintenance of village wells, providing drinking water, constructing roads and maintaining them, setting up sewage channels, constructing small bridges, repairing primary school buildings, providing sanitation facilities. Wow! Panchayat board is doing so many works for the village people. But they need more money for this, right? Do you know how they are getting money for this? Actually, we pay taxes like water tax, income tax, property tax, etc. Ask your parents about it. They'll give you more information about this. Panchayat is using this tax money for all those works. They do some discretionary functions too, such as planting trees in either sides of roads, setting up and maintenance of public markets, setting up of gardens, establishing passenger lodging, setting up and maintenance of playground, constructing library, establishing centers for informal and adult education, organizing festivals in village, maintaining the cleanliness of village. Now, think about your area. If your area is lacking in something, you can ask your Panchayat or municipality members to arrange them. They'll be doing. Awards are given to best performing Panchayats. 850 houses were built free of cost for the people in Odandurai Panchayat in Coimbatore. Their Panchayat attained the level of self-sufficiency to provide basic facilities. This village got Nirmal Purashkar Award and Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award. As I told you, Odandurai Panchayat in Coimbatore has got so many awards and appreciated by everyone. Do you want to know the reason? Listen carefully. The village Odandurai undertook a great initiative by producing electricity themselves. The most notable thing in Odandurai's self-help ventures is the 350 kilowatt wind power generator. The wind farm in the village Odandurai generates 7.5 lakh units of electricity in a year. They need only 4.5 lakh units for the entire Panchayat. The remaining power is sold to the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board and fetching 19 lakhs income per year. The income is used to install solar and wind energy farms. They ensure free electricity for the entire village of Oranthurai. Very interesting, right? Now, let's learn the duties of Gram Sabha. Planning and executing village developmental programs, verifying income and expenditure of village funds, planning to rectify the grievances of the people. Town Panchayat. These are the same as village panchayats in the town. Town Panchayat population ranges between 5,000 to 30,000. The members of the town panchayats are elected in the same way as village panchayat, that is by election. The people will be selecting them. Their working period is 5 years, just like the village panchayat. They fulfill the basic requirements of the people of the town. Children, hope you understood Kudavoli system, the functions of a panchayat and town panchayat. Complete the given homework and send to Eugene ma'am. She'll be correcting your homeworks. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home, be safe. Bye.